Let's stay with court matters. A 28-year-old mother accused of murdering her 2 children will remain in custody until a bail application at the end of the month. Nelisiwe Thusini was referred for psychiatric evaluation after a court appearance last week. She was arrested after the bodies of her 2-year-old child and 2-month-old baby were discovered in a field in the south of Durban. Newzroom Afrika's Phila Mthembu is tracking that story, joins us now live. Phila, the details around this story are incredibly harrowing. What happened in court today?
Good afternoon to you, Michelle. So what happened in court today is that firstly, the accused was actually taken to the Prince Mshini Memorial Hospital here in Umlazi. And this is where a psychiatric assessment was actually conducted. And what we had been told in court following that particular assessment was that she would have to go for a further medical examination at Fort Napier Hospital, which is a psychiatric hospital in Pietermaritzburg. And also with the matter being postponed for the 31st of July, which is next week, Thursday. Initially, the accused had said that she was not going to apply for bail, and the reason why the matter has now been postponed is for a bail application, because she then reversed her decision and said that she would like to apply for bail. And from what we had received from that particular request is that she does have an aunt that she can go to if she is granted, bail, and that she had provided the court with the details. But now these are the details of the aunts. However, this has not been verified. Now, these are the details, Michelle, that have not been verified, with the legal aid as well as the state saying that they are now going to have to conduct a verification process, for those particular details. But also in court, Michelle, there was the father of the 2 children as well as the paternal grandmother. Now, this is the mother of the father who had spoken to us outside court following, the adjournment for that particular matter, saying to us that they hope that she does not get bail because they now regard her as a danger to society, saying that if she stands accused of allegedly committing such horrific crimes, then they also feel as if they could be the next target, saying that at this particular point they are also hoping to receive some answers when he asked for their response with regards to what was found in terms of the psychiatric assessment, and that now she would have to be sent through for another medical assessment. Is that they do welcome this, as there were strange patterns which they had started noticing. You'd remember, or you'd recall, Michelle, that the grandmother was actually caring for the accused after she had given birth to the 2-month-old baby, and that whilst she had been caring for her, she had been observing some strange patterns in her behavior, saying that she had also started, distancing herself from them, and that there were also instances in the past where she would mention that she would take her own life and also kill her children, and saying that this had happened 3 times. So they are not surprised with regards to the whole outcome from that psychiatric assessment. They are welcoming that and saying that if she needs the help, then she should be granted the help. However, they still want to see justice being served, and that she is locked away for a very long time, because what had happened, if she is found guilty, is something which they do not plan to forgive her for, and they want to cut her off completely. They do not have any intentions of speaking to her if the court found her guilty of this crime.